We attention traders. An exciting binary trading tournament is here, only on Tradecraft Academy. Are you ready to turn $10 into $100 and test your trading skills with real competition? This is your chance to join a thrilling trading challenge designed especially for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to prove your skills, this is your time. Here's how to join. Create a new account using the special link I've provided. Deposit just $10 into your account. Send me your trader ID right after registration. I'll add you to the exclusive tournament channel on Telegram. You'll receive a complete rulebook for money management and risk control. Just follow the strategy, stay consistent, and trade smart. And guess what? At the end of the tournament, there's a special surprise waiting for one lucky participant. It could be you. So don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to level up your trading and maybe win more than you expect. Link is in the description. Let's go from $10 to $100 together. See you in the tournament.